Casa Beiramar by Metropole Architects in Simbithi Golf Estate, South Africa. Casa Beiramar envisioned by Metropole Architects is a 750m modern 4-bedroom home situated in the prestigious Simbithi Golf Estate on KwaZulu Natal's north coast of South Africa. The design philosophy revolves around a harmonious blend of modern aesthetics and the natural environment. The house stands as a bold testament to refined modernism, utilizing materials like steel, glass, and concrete with meticulous detail. Clean lines juxtaposed with tactile elements such as timber and stone create a sophisticated yet understated ambience. Upon approach, the house commands attention, perched proudly on its site with a cantilevered form that emphasizes horizontality, making a distinct statement in the streetscape. An elegant, gently sloping driveway ushers one from the estate road towards the home onto a stylishly arranged driveway court adorned with polished aggregate, concrete panels and strips of artificial turf, setting the stage for an aesthetically pleasing arrival experience. The public entrance facade is intentionally low-slung and minimalist, featuring a triple garage clad in horizontal slatted timber. This facade guides the eye towards a covered entrance walkway roof hovering over a porcelain tile-clad feature blade wall, and the primary entry point to the home. A large pivot entrance door, clad in dark porcelain tile slabs, provides a secure transition into the private realm of the home. The intentional solidity of the entrance facade serves multiple purposes. It not only provides an element of surprise to the act of entering, it enhances privacy for the inhabitants, and it also provides effective protection against the elements, particularly the prevailing strong winds from the southwest. This ensures that the open and sheltered private spaces designed for living, entertainment, relaxation, and enjoyment of the sea views remain comfortable and enjoyable beyond. Moving through the entrance, the architecture unfolds into a voluminous space at the upper level. An open-plan living, kitchen, and dining area seamlessly integrates with the outdoor spaces through sliding glass doors. The covered veranda, supported by a striking steel spider column, extends the living space outdoors, offering shelter for an entertainment area, braai space, a pool, and a small garden. The expansive oak timber-clad ceiling above adds warmth and visual continuity to the internal spaces. The master suite at this level is orientated towards the sea view and is a haven for private rest and relaxation, complete with walk-in dressing room and opulent full master ensuite bathroom. An adjacent balcony allows one to venture outside to the edges of the cantilever on a veritable lookout point, and engage with the sun, sea, and breeze. A standout feature of Casa Beiramar is the sensual organic curved oak timber-clad ceiling. This provides the wow factor on entry, enhancing the vertical volume of the entrance hall and open-plan living areas. Coupled with clerestory windows, it allows natural light to penetrate deep into the plan, creating a visually engaging experience. Descending via the main staircase, the spatial experience transitions to a more intimate experience. A TV lounge, study, double-sided neolith-clad fireplace, and a wine cellar offer a cozy retreat. 3 ensuite bedrooms, each with garden access, cater to privacy while providing glimpses of the adjacent forest and distant sea views. The material and color palette of Casa Beiramar is a delicate balance between man-made interventions and the natural landscape. The extensive use of glass for building enclosure and balustrading breaks down the traditional visual barriers between inside and out, promoting the immersion of oneself in the sights and sounds of the coastal forest context, as well as providing reflections of the natural vegetation that is its context. Generous overhangs allow for effective solar screening. The combination of solid slabs and pergola extensions in steel and aluminium overhead provide a variety of experience and graded exposure to the sun and a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. Internally, the fusion of color and texture in styling, furniture, and finishes complements the architectural spaces, presenting a cohesive and contemporary aesthetic. Considerations such as views, orientation, privacy, and the response to the subtropical climate extend the overall success of the product. Casa Beiramar transcends mere functionality. It offers a visually captivating, comfortable, and intimate living experience that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings, reflecting the artistry and thoughtful design of Metropole Architects.